Are you being annoyed by the Fdeploy Library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. Before diving into the manual fix for Fdeploy Library, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the Fdeploy Library, the Folder Redirection Deployment module. It manages the localized unmanaged orchestration of localized group policy rules for redirected user folders. It facilitates the localized migration of localized user data link manifests to network servers. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This is a critical Windows system integrity issue. You should run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and executing sfc/scan now, allowing Windows to automatically repair core architecture files like Fdeploy Library DLL. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Fdeploy library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Since the restart failed to map the file path, we're going to manually point Windows to this specific database tool. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, manual registration is required to link the file to the Windows registry hive. Without this pointer, the application cannot bridge the connection to the library. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. It is important to avoid manual installation of Fdeploy Library DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. The link below provides access to a professional maintenance resource for reviewing Fdeploy library-related system data. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Fdeploy library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.